Hi, my name is Jada Mars. I'm a rising junior at North Carolina A&T, and I'm a biology student. This summer, I've had the opportunity to work alongside Mia, looking at different cell adhesion molecules in the fruit fly model. We're looking at the effects that it will have on dendrite regeneration, and if that effect will be positive or negative. My favorite part about being in the lab this summer has been getting to work with the fruit fly model because it's like microscopic. That's been really cool to know that science can be impacted by such a small animal. My favorite part of the project has been imaging. I actually love seeing the neurons like bright green on the screen, so that's been really fun to see and understand. My favorite part of the program outside of the lab has been getting to meet everyone in the cohort. Dr. Manuela did such a great job at picking the cohort because I feel like we knew each other before we came here. We had 2 weeks virtual, but when we got here, everyone was like nice and we're like talking. So it's really cool to just even get to enjoy them. And we had a Marvel movie night and that was really fun. So yeah.
My name is Mia. I'm a second year graduate student in the Thompson-Peer lab, and this summer I've had the privilege of mentoring Jada. In general, in the Thompson-Peer lab, we study dendrite regeneration, and I'm particularly interested in how the dendrites of that neuron interact with other tissues and the protein mesh that is outside of that neuron. Jada's project is kind of in that umbrella of looking at how those dendrites interact with outside tissues. She's looking at cell adhesion molecules, which are receptors on the outside of the dendrites, and they interact with those other tissues like the skin cells of the fruit fly and the protein mesh that's outside of those dendrites. So I have always wanted to mentor undergraduate students. I was really well mentored as an undergraduate student myself, and I always wanted to be able to kind of give back in that way. And Jada's been a phenomenal student. She is so bright, so quick, and has just a fantastic attention to detail that I'm honestly really impressed by.
My name is Katie Thompson-Peer. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Developmental and Cell Biology here at UC Irvine. Broadly, my lab is interested in how nerve cells respond to injury and how they can regrow and recover after injury. Nerve cells, when they regrow well, but it's very messy and disorganized. And so my lab studies both how nerve cells regrow as well as they do, but also why regeneration is imperfect. Mia's project and the project that Jada have been working on has to do with the second part of the story, why regrowth is imperfect and how the surrounding tissues that are around that neuron as it's regrowing can potentially impede or support regeneration. It's been a wonderful experience so far to have Jada in the lab for the summer. During the first week that she was here, I got the opportunity to work with her hands-on one-on-one as she was learning how to use fruit flies to study these scientific questions that we're interested in. And her enthusiasm and attention to detail and scientific promise really just were obvious from the start. She brings an excitement to the lab that we really appreciate having. And so that's the particular role that the summer scholars bring to our scientific community.